Today we're going to make oven roast veg, and this is what you need. Some basil, some olive oil, some ground black pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, a small courgette, a good sized aubergine, a red pepper, an orange pepper, a red onion, and we've got some tiny vine ripened cherry tomatoes. You can use just the orange cherry tomatoes if you want. So what we're going to do is prepare these and then we'll get back to you. Okay? We've cut up a veg, an onion, we've sort of sliced it and done it like in quarters. Courgettes quite thinly, tomatoes, about 20 little tomatoes there. Aubergine cut into like quarters, but that sort of size. And your orange pepper and your red pepper cut into chunks. We've got 5 cloves of garlic, so we're going to put through the garlic press and put it in. Now then, we're just going to put it all in a roasting dish. Then we're going to mix it all up. Get it all. Right, what I'm going to do is put 4 dessert spoons of olive oil in. So, I'm going to mix all this in a minute as well. I'm going to just press the garlic and put it in there, and then we'll get back to you. Okay? Right, we've minced up a garlic and put that in as well, and we're going to put some ground black pepper in, and then we're going to stir it all up so that everything's coated. And we've got our oven on ready, 180 degrees middle shelf. This is going to be on about 3/4 of an hour, but we're going to turn them halfway through to make sure everything underneath is done as well. So I'm just going to whip them round a bit so we get the oil and the garlic everywhere, and the pepper. You can have these with steamed new potatoes, it's nice, so you can have it with pasta. It's good with steamed new potatoes with butter and ground black pepper, to be honest with you. It is. Baby ones, of course. Right, we're going to pop that in the oven, middle shelf 180. We'll come back to it in about 20 minutes and we'll turn them over. Okay? Had them in about 25 minutes, so we're going to whip them out quickly and just stir them up and turn them over. This is what we're getting so far. Usually they're about 45 minutes to 50 minutes and then they're done. Just going to stir them round so that we get all the garlic cooked and all the olive oil mixed in. Don't want to bruise your tomatoes so much, you just go carefully around your tomatoes. Okay, so we're going to bob that back in. Give it about 20-25 minutes and then we're ready. And in the meantime with that, that's when you want to have your new potatoes on the boil ready. Steam them. Okay. Put them on about 45 minutes. And this is what you're getting. A char grilled type effect like that. And what we're going to do is just serve it on a plate and tear up some basil. So we'll just show you that in a minute. Okay? Right, and this is it served up. And we've just got some basil torn on top of it. And you can have it with baby new potatoes and butter, or you can have it with pasta or anything. And that is pretty much it. Okay?